Next chit will be picked by Ishan. Let's see whose name comes. Ishan will pick it. And the name is?
P.
P. P is Pratibha. Come on, Pratibha. Come fast. Pratibha will say. Don't say anything. Listen.
Hello everyone, my name is
Say loudly.
Pratibha.
Sound is coming.
Hello everyone, my name is Pratibha and I am going to say objective question from first chapter for production and management. My first question is, the same kind of plants which are grown in a large scale in a large area is called crop. There are two types of crops, rabi crops and kharif crops. Agriculture was the main occupation of
You counted how many questions you said?
agriculture was the first step towards our agriculture. Example of rabi crops are wheat, linseed, mustard oil, etc. And example of
Linseed.
kharif crops are maize, gram, rice, etc. Cotton also, etc. And kharif crop are grown in the season. Kharif crop are grown in the season of May and June and harvested in the season of September and October. And rabi crops are grown in the beginning of October to November and harvested in the season of summer, March and April. And the basic steps of agriculture are preparation of soil, sowing, adding manure and fertilizers, irrigation, removal of waste, protection from pests, head dressing and that harvesting, and the last step is the storage. And the preparation of soil, one step is there, that is plowing. And the definition of plowing is that the process of turning of the soil is called plowing. And the instrument used in the plowing is leveler, plow, which is made up of wood and iron also. And nowadays the sowing is done with the help of that seed drill. And the three steps of sowing are first steps of sowing are first seed drill, broadcasting, and sowing with hands also.
Sowing
Sowing with hands.
Sowing
With hands also. The small area in which the plants are grown is called nursery, and after it's transferred to the big large area, this process is called transplanting. The crops need some transplantation. Crops need some elements in large quantities. Those elements are called macronutrients, and crops need some elements in small quantities. Those elements are called micronutrients. Converting preparation of manure from animal dung using special breed of earthquake is called vermicomposting. The substances which are used for the healthy growth of plants, in the form of nutrients is called fertilizers and manures. Manure are organic in nature, whereas fertilizers are inorganic in nature. Manure contains carbon in large quantities, whereas fertilizers contain carbon in small quantity. It does not contain carbon. And manure provides humus to the soil, whereas fertilizer does not provide humus to the soil. Manure needs large place to keep it, whereas fertilizer can be kept in the bags also.
Say slowly, beta.
Manure prepares in the fields, and whereas fertilizers prepares in the factories. And in factories, green revolution is prepared by M.S. Swaminathan. And
your turn come again.
okay, production of honey. Production of honey is called apiculture, and the production of production from the fish is called pisciculture. And cow and buffalo and other animals are reared for the milk. This process is called dairy farming. And
Okay, very good. And she has taken round about 4 minutes or not. I am not stopping it. This is game. In this, next will be picked by Yes. Now Jinnat is going to pick. Let's see whose name comes.
My only.
Jinnat's name is there. What a coincidence. Her name is there. And now she will say that.
Hello everyone.
I'm tired. Yes.
Hello everyone. My name is Vinod Gondal. I got
Continues.
the topic.
I'll make it easy.
I got the topic electricity, chemical effect of electricity. Now I'm going to say about of this chapter some MCQ. So let's start. In this chapter, I have learned about two types of material, that is called conductor and insulator. The substances through in which the light electric can pass is called conductor. The substances through current cannot pass easily are called insulators. The example of conductors are all the metals. The example of insulator are plastic, wood, etc. In this chapter, I have learned about LED, that is called light emitting diode. In this, we have to use in homes as a light. In this chapter, I have learned about so many metals like iron, copper, zinc, tin. The symbol of iron is Fe. The symbol of tin is Sn. The symbol of copper is Cu. The symbol of zinc is Zn. The coating of zinc over iron is called galvanization. The symbol of iron is Fe. In this chapter, I have learned about the how we use an electric at a home. So in this chapter, we have to learn like if we can use our
Say loudly, beta.
say in the iron,
Sound is
we
coming.
can use the electroplating also. In the coating of zinc over iron is called galvanization. Thank you. Formula.
Okay. So Jinnat is over. Now let's see whose turn comes. She will pick it. And Pratibha is going to pick. Let's see whose name comes. S.A. Sandeep, come. Now Sandeep is there. Let's see Sandeep how he performs. S.A. is Sandeep or Sania? Sania? Okay. Yes. Not writing, beta. Come outside. No, Sandeep symbol is S. Come. Your. Jannat, hold it. Yes. Now her turn will there and she will say, yes.
Chapter 10 Sound. Sound is the form of energy. Sound requires medium.
Say loudly, beta. Go closer so that her voice should come. Yes.
Sound is a form of energy. Sound requires medium to travel. Sound produces vibrating body. In man, vocal cord is 20 mm. In woman, vocal cord is 15 mm. Unit of loudness is a decibel. Unit of pitch is hertz. Maximum displacement of its mean position is called amplitude.
Say loudly, beta.
Number of vibration per second is called frequency.
You can check it also. Yes, frequency. Okay.
Sound having frequency more than 20,000 hertz is known as ultrasonic. Sound having frequency less than 20 hertz is known as infrasonic.
Next will be picked by Sandeep. Sandeep is going to pick next. Let's see whose name comes. A K Krishna. K Kamna come. If you're not tired, hold it. Say loudly, beta, say loudly. Lot of disturbances there in the class. Say loudly.
Okay. Good morning to everyone. My name is Kamna. I am student of 8th standard in Government Senior Secondary School, Malakpur. Today I am going to say objective questions from chapter 4, Combustion and Flame. Combustion is a chemical process
Combustion is of two types: rapid combustion and spontaneous combustion. Rapid combustion, in which the substances can burn rapidly, and spontaneous combustion, in which substances can burn spontaneously. Calorific value: the amount of heat energy produced by a combustible substance of 1 kg is called calorific value. The minimum temperature at which substance catch fire is called ignition temperature. Hydrogen has
I am not able to listen your voice.
Yes, I also.
You should roar. Okay.
Hydrogen has the maximum calorific value.
Say to her.
The outermost part of the
You can take
outermost part of the candle flame is the hottest, which is also called luminous zone, non-luminous zone, and the innermost part of the candle flame is least hot. The calorific value of LPG is 55,000. The cow dung cake has the least calorific value. Thank you.
Now Gulpreet will pick. Let's see. So now Sonia will come.
Hello everyone, my name is Sonia. I study in 8th class in Government Secondary School, Malakpur. Today I am going to say some objective questions. First, the force which opposes the motion is called force of friction. Second, there are three types of friction: static friction, rolling friction, and sliding friction. The rolling friction is a small static friction is the largest friction, and
Static is largest friction.
yes,
That is the maximum friction.
sliding friction is a less than static friction. Rolling friction is less than static friction.
Now Gulpreet will pick.
Who's A?
Hello everyone, my name is Adarsh Kumar. Now I am going to say some questions.
Say loudly.
Some objective questions of 13th chapter. Light is a form of energy. Light helps us to see objects. Light cannot pass through opaque object. Light cannot pass through opaque object. Light can pass through transparent object.
Everything has got
White light change into dash color. White light change into 7 colors. V means violet, indigo, blue, yellow, green, orange, red. Now Louis Braille was a son of a shopkeeper. He was born on April 1st, 1806.
Okay, leave it. Continue. If it is wrong, you can tell. Do you know what is?
Yes, 6 January 1809.
But
Okay, so
thank you.
say loudly.
Now Kamna will pick.
And hello everyone, my name is Nitika. I study in
Don't
8th
say
class.
Don't say it. Continue.
Today my topic is chapter 2, objective questions. Microorganism can be seen with the help of microscope. Microorganism cannot seen with naked eye. Atmosphere has 78% nitrogen. Linen is obtained from flax plant. Malaria is caused by bacteria. During pasteurization, milk is heated about 70 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius.
Nitika, your voice is not coming.
Fungi like aspergills cause food poisoning. Microorganism is also called microbes. Microorganisms are friend and foe. Mushroom is an example of fungi. Thank you.
Next one is Manit will pick the slip. Let's see whose name comes. Whose name comes? Second time, the student with the choice and his name came. Now Manit will say on the topic which he has been given. Yes.
Yes.
Hello everyone, my name
No need of saying. Let's start with the lesson.
is Objective Question from 5 chapter Conservation of Plants and Animals. A forest is an ecosystem. There's national park in Gujarat, there's national park in Gujarat, Kaziranga National Park in Assam. There are 6,500 national park in the world. The first national park was Yellowstone National Park. The World Forest Day was celebrated on March 21.
But I'll stop now. If you are stopping, just wasting your time. Okay, continue.
The forest converted into desert is called desertification. Earthquake is a natural source of desertification.
Okay, stop.
Now Gitesh will choose.
Let's see whose name comes.
And Himanshu.
And now
Say loudly.
say loudly. No name. Let's start with the lesson.
Lesson number 12, natural phenomena. Some natural phenomena. Air in motion is called wind. All living is caused by organism. The speed of wind and the speed of wind the instrument used to measure earth is called seismograph. Lighting conductor is device for all buildings. And the scale of power point in earthquake is called Richter scale.
Say loudly.
All livings caused by in organisms.
Okay. No, stop. Now, let's see whose name comes. Pick one, yaar. Why are you taking that much of time?
Hello everyone, my name is Puneet.
No need of saying Puneet.
Okay sir. My topic is microorganism, second chapter, friend and foe. First question. Anton van Leeuwenhoek discover microorganism first time. Anton van Leeuwenhoek prevent microscope. Meaning of foe, dushman, enemy. HIV is a virus. Dr. Vandal Stanley discovered virus first time. TMV, tobacco mosaic virus. Lactic acid is present in curd. In curd, lactobacillus present. Fourth question. There are 4 types of bacteria. There are 4 types of microorganisms. The organisms which are harmful for us are called protozoa. Pasteurization. In this process, milk is heated from 70 to 100 degrees Celsius. Vacuum packaging. In this packaging, air is removed from package. Drying. In this method, water is dried from substance which is packing. Next.
Now Ekam is going to pick.
Now
Let's
Ekam
see
is going to pick.
whose lottery comes. Let's show the face of Ekam. See the. See everybody's enjoying the game. Whose name comes? No. Sandeep name has come and Sandeep is there. But listen everyone, he's going to say with the lesson light.
Hello everyone, my name is Sandeep, I study 8th class government school Malakpur. For my topic is chapter number 13, light. Light is form of energy which help us to see object. Light cannot pass through opaque object.
Very good.
Light can pass transparent object.
Can pass through. Very excellent.
Absence of light is called darkness.
Say loudly, madam.
Light is made of 7 colors. Louis Brain was son of shopkeeper. Thank you.
Jessica will pick and show her face. See the suspense on every student's face also. Everybody is enjoying. Jessica is going to open. Ishan is there.
Ishan's name.
And now Ishan is going to say on his topic name and start.
Okay, sir. So today I am going to speak some objective question of chapter 3, coal and petroleum. Some natural resources which are provided by nature are called natural resources. Some resources which are manufactured in factories and industries are called man-made resources. The resources which are unlimited in quality and not exhausted by human activities is called inexhaustible resources. For example, sunlight. The resources which are exhaustible by and human activities are called exhaustible resources, like fossil fuel and minerals. Coal is the cheapest form of fossil fuel available here. India's largest coal deposit in Tripura, Bihar, Odisha and Madhya Pradesh. Anthrax is the best quality of coal. The full form of CNG is compressed natural gas and it is a natural gas.
Ishan is not knowing the answer. See the condition of Ishan. He studied from GMK. See what his condition is because he is not studying things himself. Sonia's turn is there.
G.
Which language was speaking?
Gitesh.
Gitesh's name is there. Now Gitesh is coming, and let's see how he performs. Yesterday was his birthday. Please.
Yes.
My topic is reaching the age of adolescence. Sperm is the organism of male human body.
I can't hear you. Your voice should be audible to Krishna. Say loudly.
Testis is the part of male human body. Endocrine gland is hormones are produced by pituitary gland. Endocrine gland is also called ductless gland. The age where girl puberty age start is from 9 to 10. The age of boys which start at the age of 10 or 11. The ovum is the part of girl reproductive part. When the sperm and ovum they produce zygote. The are produced by ductless gland from a girl's body. The age where boy's height start full 100% is age 18, and the age where girl's height is start that is the age of
I am not able to hear you. See my voice and see your voice. This much of time you have got to play your best and see what is your level.
that is 15 years.
Again your voice is less. Say loudly.
The age where girl's height starts full 100% is 18 years.
The student is going to pick the chit and let's see.
KR.
KR.
Or KR.
KR is Krishna is there. Now Krishna will say. Say loudly. कुछ नहीं आया तेरे को.
Light can pass through transparent object. Light cannot pass through opaque object. Light is the mixture of 7 colors. We cannot see without light.
See, his voice is good. Although he is not well, still he's coming.
Point on surface reflection Reflection is the phenomena in
Stop. Nivasham will pick the slip. Let's see whose name comes. Gurpreet is there. Gurpreet for. And she start with.
Today my topic is chapter lesson number 10 sound.
Gurpreet, I can't hear you. I'm sitting there. Your voice should come here. Yes.
Sound is a form of energy. Sound is produced by vibrating body. Sound required medium to travel. Sound can travel in liquid, gases, and solid. Unpleasant sound is called noise. Unpleasant sound is called noise. Pleasant sound is called music. Loudness of the sound is expressed in decibel. The symbol of decibel is dB. Unit of frequency is hertz. The symbol of hertz is Hz. Sound having less than 20 hertz is called infrasonic. Sound having more than 20,000 is called ultrasonic. Loudness of sound depend on amplitude. Depend on amplitude.
Your voice has become less.
The symbol of decibel is dB. The number of vibration is called time period.
Now Rohini will pick KU. Now Kunal's turn.
Yeah, Kunal's turn is there. Kunal, go fast. Now Kunal, I will bring Kunal on the stage. Yes, Kunal is there with full energy. Let's see how he performs. Say loudly, like a lion. No, I can't hear you.
Air inversion is called wind. The example of epidemic disease.
No, not able to see the voice of sir.
The example of epidemic disease is chikungunya, cholera. The example of pandemic disease is COVID-19. Chikungunya. The example of pandemic is COVID-19.
Krishna, are you able to listen to him? Say loudly.
The speed of wind is measured by anemometer. The speed of
Anemometer.
the wind is found by wind when
Stop.
Now Anukalp
Uncle will pick the. These are the good opportunities you are missing. Yes. R. O. Who is up? Rohini. Now Rohini name comes. She will manage. Don't say anything. Rohini, your voice should come here, beta.
Yes.
There are two types of force, contact and non-contact force. There are two types of non-contact force, muscular force and friction force. There are three types of contact force, electrostatic force. Electrostatic force.
Electrostatic is contact force.
No, non-contact.
Non-contact. Okay.
Electrostatic force. Gravitational force.
Very good.
Gravitational force is a
Your voice is
universal
also
force.
good.
Gravitational force is a non-contact force. Force may be changed in pull or push. Force may be changed in direction of motion. The instrument we use for atmospheric pressure is called barometer. Force per unit area is called pressure.
Now China will pick Anukalp.
Uncle is there now. Uncle will. Let's see how he performs.
Say loudly.
Okay. Today my topic is chapter 5 conservation of plants and animals.
Sorry. Uncle, better say loudly.
Today my topic is chapter 5 conservation of plants and animals. First question is deforestation loss of habitats in species of forest and animals. Second question, World Forest Day is celebrated on June 17. World Wetland Day is celebrated on May 3 and May 3. Third question is planting new saplings on barren land is called afforestation. Planting new trees is called reforestation. Cutting of trees is known as deforestation. The full form of IUCN is International Union for Conservation of Plants.
Let him say, don't disturb.
Next question is full form of NEAC is National Environment Awareness Campaign. Next question is
See how many questions you have been. I stop. Maximum. Who is that? Aman will pick. See the suspensive faces of every student. JR. Okay. Actually, but your symbol is not JR. Okay. J.
हाँ.
Now the thing will say, let's see how she performs.
Today's my topic is coal and petroleum, chapter number 3. Coal is the type of fossil fuel. Coal tar is mixture of 200 substances. There are two types of resource: exhaustible and non-exhaustible.
Exhaustible and non-exhaustible.
Exhaustible resources are limited and inexhaustible resources are unlimited. The example of exhaustible resources are sunlight, water, air, etc. The example of inexhaustible resources are
Your voice has become less better.
glass, a plastic, man-made substance like.
I know that. Don't shout. Disturb the class. I'm not here as anything. I'm here as a teacher. Okay.
Coal tar is produced carbon dioxide gas. The formula of carbon dioxide is CO2. Now Sanya will take.
And Lakshmi is there. Let's see. Lakshmi, I also expect some good thing from Lakshmi. Let's see how she performs. Lakshmi.
Today my topic is objective question of chapter 9, friction. Friction occupy which the force which occupy motion is called force of friction.
Occupy means oppose motion.
Opposed motion is called force of friction. There are three types of friction: static friction, rolling friction, and static friction, rolling friction, and sliding friction. Static friction is between two surfaces. Rubbing two hands are called heat. Produce heat. Friction is expressed in pull and push.
Pull and push.
Pull and push.
Force is also push.
Pull and push. By grazing of shoes produce heat. Thank you.
Do you remember how many questions?
Now
Puneet will pick.
I.
Ekam is there. Now she will say yes. Better say loudly.
Metals are good conductor of electricity.
Say loudly.
Magnetic texture uses magnetic effects of current. Electric texture uses heating effects of current. The symbol of zinc is Zn. The symbol of copper is Cu. The symbol of tin is.
It is there in the lesson.
Yes, sir. The symbol of tin is Sn. The symbol of chromium is Cr. The symbol of sodium chloride is NaCl. The symbol of copper sulfate is CuSO4. Thank you. Now Nitika will pick. Let's see. A.
No, only A.
Okay, leave it. It is not in there. Next. Was not there, somebody else was.
Now Lakshmi.
Aman. Next your turn will come. GR. Now Gurpreet will be there. Let's see how she performs. Say loudly, beta.
Today I am going to say some objective question. Lesson number 6: reproduction in animals. First, the reproduction of new individually from the parents individual from the parents of the same kind is called reproduction. There are two types of reproduction: asexual and sexual. Asexual reproduction. Binary fission refers to a division of a cell into two parents is called single cell. For example, amoeba, paramecium, etc.
Could be better loudly.
Next is budding. Hydra and yeast reproduce by budding. Next, each parents produce one reproductive cell or gamete. The fusion of a cell. When the sperm and the ovum fuse together, they form a new cell called zygote. The fusion of the sperm and the ovum is called fertilization. The male gamete produce sperm and the female gamete produce ovum. And heterodox. Some organisms have both their sex, male and female. That organisms are called haploproteins. For example, earthworm. And next is fertilization. There are two types of fertilization: internal and external. In external, in external fertilization takes place outside the body of female. It's called external fertilization. For example, frog, etc. Internal fertilization takes place inside the body of female is called internal fertilization. For example, human beings.
Gurpreet, say loud.
Viviparous animal. The animals which give birth to young ones is called viviparous animal. For example, human beings, cow, dog. Next is oviparous animal. The animal which lay eggs are called oviparous animal. For example, fish, frog. Next is male reproductive system. Testes. Millions of sperms are produced by testes, sperm duct. Each testis have a sperm duct. Next is structure of sperm. Structure of sperm. Sperm is very small in size, has comparison to ovum. Next is male reproductive system. Ovaries. The ovaries produce egg or ova. The egg is very small in this. The egg is very small in the sperm in female. Next is oviduct. Oviduct is also called fallopian tube. They join the ovary and the uterus. Next is uterus. Uterus is also called womb. Development of the fertilization egg and fetus takes place here. Vagina. The uterus open into muscular tube called vagina. Structure of ovum. And ovum is a like sperm is single celled organism. In asexual reproduction only one parent is needed, and in sexual reproduction two pairs of opposite sex, male and females, are needed. Zygote in asexual reproduction, zygote does not occur. In sexual reproduction, male gamete and female gamete fuse together, they form a zygote, and fertilization does not occur. Male gamete fertilizes the female gamete. Next is dust. When the whole part can be identified, is called fetus. Metaphorous. The change from larva to an adult is called metaphorous. For example, life cycle of frog. Egg change into tadpole. Tadpole change into tadpole with 2 legs. Tadpole 2 legs change into tadpole with 4 legs, and tadpole with 4 legs change into adult frog. And next, the tadpole looks very different from adult. This process is called metaphorous. And metamorphosis. Next is life cycle of butterfly. Egg change into larva change into pupa, and pupa change into adult butterfly. Thank you.
Let's see who will pick, whose number comes, whose turn comes.
B. Baljinder.
B. Baljinder will there. Let's see the smiling faces, and Priyanshu is blushing. He is missing. Yes.
Today my topic is 6th chapter, reproduction chapter, objective questions. First, reproduction is very important for us. The process of producing new individual of same kind is called reproduction. There are 2 types of reproduction, named asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. In asexual reproduction, only one parent is needed, and in sexual reproduction, both male and female are needed. Both male and female are needed. Binary fission have simple type of asexual reproduction, and binary fission occurs in unicellular organism. And testes, each testis have sperm duct.
These are certain things.
Each testis have sperm duct, and fine. And human internal fertilization is occurs.
Have you said how many type of reproduction?
Yes, sir. And in frog, external fertilization occurs. There are two
external and internal.
There are 2 types of
We can differentiate
fertilization,
between the two.
internal and external. Thank you.
Let's see whose number comes. S.I. Simran. Now Simran is there from Iti. The Iti girl has come. Now she will say the topic. Listen, say loudly, beta.
Chapter number 7, adolescence, reaching age of adolescence. The journey of human life started with single cell. Puberty age comes in 13 to 14 years old, sometime maybe 9 to 10.
Okay.
Human beings have 23 pairs chromosomes.
How many pairs? 23 pairs of chromosomes.
chromosomes. 22 pairs.
Okay, stop.
Jessica.
Will pick.
Only 3 chits are left.
Three chits are left.
Pick it up.
Let's see whose name comes. A.M. Aman name is there. Let's see. How you perform? Aman, say loudly, beta. Everyone, listen to him.
Today my topic is conservation of plant.
Not able to listen.
Today
Say loudly.
my topic is conservation of plant and animal. Cutting of trees is known as deforestation. Planting of trees in burning place is known as afforestation.
Science team.
Earthquake is a national natural for deforestation. Dolphin is Dolphin is a national aquatic animal.
National or natural?
Natural aquatic animal of India.
Aquatic.
There are 6,500 national park in world. The World Forest Day is celebrated on 21 March. National animal is a tiger, and the national flower is lotus. The national bird is peacock. The national bird is peacock. The dry and old trees is should be uprooted. Thank you.
Okay, this term. Let's see whose name. Priyanshu, PR. Priyanshu name has come. Come on the stage fast. Don't waste time in this. I said your turn.
Yes.
Today my topic is chapter number first, objective question.
Say loudly.
There are two types of crop, Kharif crop and Rabi crop. Rabi crop are grown in winter season and Kharif crops are grown in summer season. The animal which attack on crop is called pest.
Pest. Okay.
And production and management of fish is called pisciculture, and production and management of honey is called apiculture. Fluff is used for tilling and labor. Vegetables and food are stored in godowns and cold stores. Paddy crop are grown in summer season.
Okay. Stop. Has anybody? And who are the cousins? Okay. And let's see what do you want, beta? Head. She wants head. And see what it comes. You want head? It is tail. Now your turn is
China.
China will say.
Today my topic is force and pressure chapter number 8. Force pull or push on the object. Force is two types of contact force and non-contact force. Contact force are also two types, muscular and frictional force. Non-contact force is three types: magnetic force, gravitational force, electrostatic force. Area force is a per unit of area is known as pressure. Unit of pressure is a force by area. Unit of force is Newton meter square. Okay. Thank you.
Now last is Jessica. Now. No. Yes, the one up. Yes.
Not first. Jessica's turn is there. Now Jessica will say yes.
My topic is microorganism friend and foe. There are 4 types of microorganisms. 1. Bacteria. 2. Protozoa. 3. Algae. 4. Fungi. Microorganism can be seen with the help of microscope. Microorganism cannot be seen with the help of naked eyes. Fungi express cause food poisoning. TMV is the virus. The formula of TMV is tobacco mosquito virus.
It is not formula, it is full form.
TIV is virus. Bacterium bacteria is bacteria is unicellular, algae is multicellular, malaria is protozoa, Chlorella is bacteria. Lactobacillus is the bacterium that helps in making of formation of curd. Some bacteria and fungi like its cell. Some bacteria and fungi helps in making of cheese. This process is fermentation. The formula of carbon dioxide CO2, the formula of oxygen is O2, the formula of acetic acid CH3COOH.